Hey everybody, Oklahoma Joe. We're at High Winds Casino. We're going to try some Polar High Roller 9-line. This is a nickel one. Let's see if I can get it here where we can get the bingo card in there. It's kind of hard, but we will do our best. Let's start out with 99. 99 nickels on the wall. 99 nickels on the wall. $300 was in. Woo! Guess there's no volume. Come on, go red. No red. Still looking for our first red. First real hit. Maybe right here. No, 121. Let's change it up a little bit. Let's try 108 nickels. It's $5.40. Or somebody's having a good time. Come on, Polar. Just because it's cold and you're polar don't mean you need to be cold. Down $100. Goodness. Goodness. This is being a mean bear right now. The bare necessities. I need a red pin for my bare necessities. Well, that was a pretty good hit. Still no red though. Goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. Heavens to Betsy. All them other sayings. Right here. Come on. Go red, please. Oh my gosh. I think the red spin is broke on this one. Here, finally we got a red. A lot of catching up to do. I doubt we'll get very many. Postage stamp. And postage stamp. Good hits. That was a real good hit. That was over $100. 1,500 nickels on the last spin alone. We needed a couple more spins though. We'll give it a couple more and we may hop off of this one if it doesn't do much, but maybe it's going to stay in for a minute. Big diamond on that one. Private stripes. Lazy T. Private stripes. Keep it going, baby. Step ladder. Hey, private stripes again. Big diamond again. Private stripes again. Lazy T. Big diamond. And Valentine. That was a good one. That was a real good one. And we go from being down to being up. Here I was cursing that bear. We're not up a lot, but we are up. And here we are red again. Open B. Open B again. Open B again. Didn't get off of it. 600. It's $30. I sure wish that the one thing I wish they did have over here on these is the dimes. Instead of, they've got nickels and 2 cent, but they don't have any dime. I really like playing the dime ones, but all right, we got another hit there. Letter Y. Letter Y again. Come on, get off of letter Y. Go to something else. Cross corners. That's what we needed right there. X. And Valentine again. All right. Go up to 126. See if we can get anything. Go red right there. All right. I need step ladder. Step ladder. Poopy. Jumped right out on us. Eyes. Old eyes and buttons. Can't get too excited over eyes and buttons usually. As always, I want to thank High Winds Casino for allowing me to record just a few miles east of Miami, Oklahoma, about 4 miles out of town. It's one of the nicest, cleanest little casinos around. Always a great staff. Come on. I maybe should have cashed out. Well, we'll see what happens. I'll play it back down to our original 300 and see if we get a hit. And if not, we'll just call it a wash. Oh man, I was hoping that it would do something there, but it didn't. Good hit though, 532. I thought I was going to get it right there, but I didn't. All right, well, we're back down to even there. Oh, come on, go red. All right. Arrowhead. And Christmas tree. 756 nickels. Do it. Open B. And open B. Doesn't seem like it's liking this 126 bet near as much. Back down to the 108. All right, open B. Open B again. Get off of open B, please. Letter Y. Letter Y. You can give me all the consonants and vowels at once. I don't care. Letter Y. Go red again. All right, open diamond. Open diamond. Pretty good hit though, another $30. Do it. Go red. Oh, I thought for sure that would go red. That's what you get for assuming. Come on. You know what, we're just gonna call it right there. We're 50 bucks up. Not a big win, but hey, we'll take it. Any win's a good win. So we're gonna find something else here and we'll finish up the video in a minute. Thanks for watching. Alright, we're gonna finish the video out with some Hot News Cash. 25-cent denomination. This put the ticket in from the other machine, $350. We're gonna max bet it at first to see what happens. $6.25 max bet. Got a red. And one spin. Looking for some hot stuff, baby, this evening. Come on, we need something good here. Got a red. Very hard to tell. 75 quartars. We need more quartars than that. It's 135 quartars. That's a little better. I want all the quartars. Did it go red? No, it did not. I thought it did. Come on, we want that big magic hit. Actually, I like the pick. Got a red. Come on, more than one spin this time. Come on. There we go. Come on, give me another one. Come on, give me another one. Nope. I got greedy. Come on. Oh, okay. I was so busy looking at the cherry down there, I was like, what did I hit? I didn't even notice the top one. Yeah, we're not really losing anything, but we're not really winning anything yet. We're good, thank you. Come on, did that go red? No, it did not. I'm looking at this through my phone, so sometimes it's kind of hard to tell. There, that's red. Come on. Triple bar. Oh, man. One more. Nope. There's a red. Come on. A little hit there, 75. Seven, you're in the wrong spot. And we're back down to our original $300. Whatever shall happen, stay tuned. A little hit there, 75. Hopefully we'll get the pick. Or get that good red spin that we need. $90 cherries. That sounds like a rock song or something. 90 Cherries by Warren. Oh, and by the way, for anybody that watched the video earlier when I was doing the Tiger slot machine, I was making a comment about Eye of the Tiger, and I screwed up and I said Journey. I know it's Survivor. I'm a lame duck. I messed up. My wife made sure she pointed it out because that's what a good wife does. She's always there to point out her husband's mistakes. And let me tell you, I've got a good one. I love you, honey. All right. Come on. I just want to pick. You know, it's all fun and games till somebody loses a wiener. Come on now. Well, we're going to give it to $200. And if we haven't got the pick or got a good red spin by then, here's a red. Come on. Really? Really? Police. I need the police. Tribal police. Alright, 75. Well, it looks like the only picking I'm going to get to do is my nose. So, I guess it ain't going to happen. That's okay. Alright, well, everybody. Well, thanks for watching Oklahoma Joe Slots. Please help me continue to grow. Please hit those thumbs up. That's really important on the YouTubes. So, guys, thanks for your support, and we'll see you on the next video.